going on? Prince, Be Smooth Detailing. Today I am mixing up some bubblegum shampoo. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to have the inside of your car smelling like bubblegum the whole time. Now this is just some wash and wax. Alright, just soap and water. Alright, and it's just happened to be pink. Alright, but if you want some and you want me to mix you up some, let me know. DM me. Anyway, I got some creamsicle from Majestic Solution. Alright, so this is about a half a gallon. Alright, so I'm going to put about 2 capfuls in here. Then I'm going to use my Tanador to clean the seats. And once the seats dry, everything will smell like bubblegum. Check this out. Alright, so you want this thing to look, you want it to smell really strong, right? Now, this is concentrated, so you only want to use about 2 caps. Alright, and that's pretty strong for like a half a gallon. But if you really want it like really strong, where it's like coming out of your windows and out of your sunroof, or if you got a drop top, you just smell like bubblegum when you pull up, add about 4 caps to a half a gallon. And I'm telling you. And then you put it in your Tanador, it's crazy. You can smell it all like right now. So you're gonna mix this into the Tanador. You also can put this in your extractor if you want to, but I'm just doing this real fast so that I can go ahead and clean the seats. Took the seats out already, so it smells good. All right, so.
Ooh, my spark, my fire, moon, and my star. Everything I have is yours, just don't break my heart. And I live and I die for boo. Always be with you. My heart desires come true. Only thing that I need is you. You my dream come true. All I have is my heart. I won't break it or tear it apart. Hold you tight in my arms. Mine's too, I've been waiting for you. Our love is beautiful. Love, it must be your voice when you blessing my name. Just scream it over and over and over again. Now you are my life, my wife. You know how I spend my bride, my vibe, my live wild within. Your love get me blazing 2008. Your love's like a tidal wave that's take me away. I'm your supplier, desire set your soul on fire. They said leave, retire, but the devil's a liar. God, they love is raw, it don't melt in the fire. I won't slap you, I mack you and freeze your neck. Let my arms just wrap you, believe you blessed. Lay your head on my chest, let me give you rest.